What is up, everyone? Welcome back to Smiling Faces. I'm Ninad and this is a travel vlog. What's up? What's up, everyone? Good morning and welcome back. Alright, we are in Tirupati Balaji. I made a small video about how to reach here and the accommodation scenes and link it here. Go check it out. Now, darshan to kal raat ko hi ho chuke the. Aaj subah ho gayi shopping and then all the scenes around to be checked. Now we are heading to Chennai. I need to find a transportation for that. Now I'm taking a transport to reach Chennai because that's the next destination, and I'll find that out. Till then, you guys enjoy the scenes that I've recorded till now. Alright, got the cab, all set for Chennai. The stay in Tirumala was mind-blowing. Super clean streets, super weather, and most important, the people around. The people are here are so sweet and so genuine. I did not even once feel that I'm looted or something like that. Everyone, thanks for your... Oh yes, to all the people in Tirupati and Tirumala, thanks for the good hospitality and the friendly behavior. Yes. There are so many deers. Wow. There's one more. Oh. Look at this guy. Whoa. Mast hai na? Hey. Like I said, this place is just wonderful. Alright, we have reached Chennai and the edit is going on right now. The journey till Chennai was really nice but tiring because we have explored several temples like Shiv Kanchi, Vishnu Kanchi, and then the Kamakshi Devi temple. And I really find all this place is interesting because the architecture and the art form that has been used to build up these temples, I really find it fascinating. Now that's pretty much it for Tirupati. It was a really super fantastic stay in Tirupati. I really enjoyed being there. I say again, thank you everyone for the good behavior and the hospitality. I really love that. Now we're in Chennai. I'm super pumped to see what we have to explore tomorrow in Chennai. And that's pretty much it. I'm just going to end the vlog here. So now, hit the like button if you like this video. Check out my other videos and let me know what you think about them in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel if you already have. Subscribe to my channel if you already haven't. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Just tired.